In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video camera and settings in Zoom. If you've ever switched from a built-in laptop camera to a USB webcam, or you just want to check which camera Zoom is using, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll open Zoom, join a meeting so the controls appear, and then choose the camera you want from the video menu. I'll also point out where to quickly review related settings without adding any extra steps. First, go to Zoom. You can open the Zoom desktop app or visit the Zoom website and launch it from there. The key is to have Zoom running on your computer so you can access the in-meeting controls. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. The video controls only show up inside a meeting, so either click New Meeting to start one yourself or join an existing meeting. If you're testing on your own, starting a meeting is a quick way to see your camera preview right away. Now, look at the bottom toolbar. On desktop, Zoom's main controls sit along the bottom of the window. If you don't see them, move your mouse or tap your trackpad, and they'll appear. On some screens, the toolbar may auto-hide. A small wiggle usually brings it back. Click on Video. This is the Start Video or Stop Video button at the bottom left. If your camera is off, click it once to turn video on so you can preview changes as you make them. This helps you confirm the camera you pick is working and framed correctly. Next, click the arrow up icon right next to the Start/Stop Video button. It's a small caret that opens a menu. This menu is your quick hub for camera choices and commonly used video options, all without leaving the meeting. From that menu, select a camera. You'll see entries like Integrated Camera or the name of your external webcam. If you have a capture card or virtual camera installed, it will appear here too. Finally, click the camera you want. The moment you select it, Zoom switches over and your preview updates. If the image is dark or frozen, try another listed camera. If you don't see your device, make sure it's plugged in, not being used by another app, and allowed in your computer's privacy settings. Closing any other app that might be using the camera often helps. That's it. You've gone to Zoom, joined a meeting, opened the video menu, and chosen the exact camera you want. From the same arrow menu, you'll also notice quick links to video preferences you can explore later, like HD, mirroring, and low light adjustments. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next meeting with the right camera selected.